guys, welcome back to my channel. Claire here with Destin Creativity. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. So I just want to show you how I made this wall decor using cardboard and mirror plus some party beads. All the other material will be in the description box below. Thank you so much. So let's begin. I started the project with a big cardboard. I had to draw a circle and I didn't have a compass that big, so I used thread and a pin to draw the circle. The diameter for this is 22 inches. Then I cut out this cardboard using a box cutter and then traced out the mirror. This will be the center. The mirror is 10 inches in diameter. So I drew it all around and then drew lines around the box. I then wrapped out the excess lines but leaving the extreme points because that's what I'll be using to label. So this being my point 1, all I need to do is to count backwards, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my point 1. So I labeled all the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the maximum was 16 lines. And then the next point is now to join the two using an arc. If your circle is smaller, you can use any round pan to help. But my circle was too big and I just had to draw the arcs by hand. You may not be perfect at this. They are not really perfect lines, but at least they bring out the idea. And all we are doing is connecting point 1 to point 1, then point 2 to point 2, 3 to 3, all the way to 16. I temporarily placed the mirror back so it could help me know where to start with the beads. So I'm going to use these party beads that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I glue them onto the board. But I noticed that the mirror was a bit shaky and won't hold in place, so I glued it down temporarily using just tape, and then placed it onto the board to help me know where the beads should start. Now I glued the party beads onto the board following the arcs using the hot glue. When all the beads were in place, I used this spray paint, the silver spray paint, to paint the whole arrangement. And this is how it looks like. It's already beautiful, it's getting there. So I got also the diamond wrap, the ones with the flowers. And that's what I used to put in between the different arcs. I used hot glue for this. Please don't forget to clean up your piece. Sometimes it might have some lines left over by the glue. Just clean it up and as you go on with the work. So these arcs are a bit different. So I did not measure specific length for this diamond wrap. All I did was to go arc by arc depending on the length and how it would look. So this is how the piece looks like when all the bling has been attached. I really love how it looks like. So I ended up adding a few, of the little flowers depending on how the arc looked like. But you don't need to. If it's fine with the same length, you can modify it your way. So the last part is basically for me to add the mirror. I used E6000 to attach this mirror. Left it out to dry for like 30 minutes just to make sure it's all intact. The final step was I used the diamond wrap for the edges using the hot glue, and then I used the glass cleaner for my mirror and hung it up using the two-sided tape. And this is how the piece looks like. I really love the silver and the diamond wrap. They look so awesome for my room. If you did love this as well, please give me a like, share and subscribe. And also I have other videos in my description box. Don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.